The HACCP principles form a critical framework for food safety. The system is designed to achieve the food safety objective through 7 key principles, from hazard analysis to documentation. Principle 1 is hazard analysis, or HA. This involves identifying potential hazards and assessing their significance. Risk is evaluated by considering both the severity and the probability of the hazard's occurrence. Finally, we determine the necessary control measures. Principle 2 focuses on critical control points, or CCPs. Using a specific CCP determination tool, we determine the points in the process that are critical to controlling the relevant significant hazards identified in Principle 1. Principle 3 is establishing critical limits, or CLs, at each CCP. The CL is the boundary between what is acceptable and unacceptable for the control measure. Staying within the acceptable limits ensures a high-quality product. Principle 4 is monitoring. This involves designing a system to monitor and control each CCP in relation to the established CL. If monitoring shows a loss of control, corrective action must be taken immediately. Principle 5 is corrective action, or CA. These actions are established to be taken when monitoring indicates a CL is not under control. Corrective actions address the product, the process, and the overall system to re-establish control and return to monitoring. Principle 6 is verification. This involves regular procedures to confirm that the CCPs are achieving the food safety objective and that the entire HACCP system is working effectively. Verification includes reviewing records, instrument calibration, and HACCP system audits. Principle 7 is documentation and records. Documentation covers all procedures and records related to the application of Principles 1 through 6. Proper documentation ensures traceability, demonstrates compliance, facilitates audits, and enables continuous improvement of the food safety system.